Subdermal implant. Subdermal implant can refer a type of body modification or a long-acting reversible contraceptive or LARC. Body modification. A subdermal implant is the body modification that placed under the skin, often made of silicone. The body heals over the implant, creating a raised design. People may get subdermal implants to create a dramatic effect, and they may use them to combination with other types of body modification. Contraceptive. A subdermal implant is a small rod or tube that insert under the skin of the upper arm to slowly release hormones for up to 3 years. It is a long-acting reversible method of contraceptive that's more than 99% effective. The implant can be removed at any time, and the ovary will return to normal activity shortly after. Common side effects include changes to bleeding pattern or hormonal side effect. A subdermal implant is a small flexible rod or tube that is inserted under the skin of the upper arm for long-term hormonal contraception. A implant is slowly release a progestin hormones that prevents pregnancy by thickening cervical mucus, thinning the lining of the uterus and posing ovulation. There's how a subdermal implant is used. Insertion. A trained health professional insert the implant under the skin of the upper arm, usually in the non-dominant arm. The skin is numbed with a local anesthetic and the implant is inserted using a special needle-like device. Effectiveness. The implant provides effective contraception for up to 3 to 5 years, depending on the type of the progestin and polymer. Removal. To remove the implant, a small incision is made in the skin and the implant removed using tweezers. Reversal. Fertility is readily reversible after the removal of the implant.
Subdermal implants, also known as contraceptive implants, have many advantages including effective. Subdermal implants are one of the most effective forms of birth control with a 99% efficacy rate. Long-lasting, the implant can stay in place for up to 3 years. Reversible, fertility return without a month of removing the implant. For daily reminders, there's no need to take a pill or get injection. Safe for breastfeeding. The hormones in the implant don't affect breast milk on your baby. Doesn't interfere with sex. The implant doesn't alter sexual spontaneity. Other benefit. The implant might improve and make period less painful or lighter.
Ang subdermal implant, ito yung type of long-term hormonal contraception at mayroong mga disadvantages. Halimbawa na lang, no protection against STI. Subdermal implant do not protect against sexually transmitted infection, STI or HIV. Ang side effect nito, irregular eye bleeding, headaches, breast pain, nausea, and acne. This side effect usually go away after a few months. Require a doctor. A doctor of nurse must insert and remove the implant. May interfere with medication. Subdermal implant may interfere with certain medication and antibiotics. Risk of infection. There is a small risk of infection at the implant site. May cause mood swings. Some human experience mood swings that are similar to premenstrual syndrome, PMS. May cause liver problems. Sublocade, a type of subdermal implant, can cause of worsen liver problems, including hepatitis. Nagkakaroon din ng komplikasyon that can include difficult finding the implant. broken implant or expulsion of the implant.